In this video, I will show you the best way to keep Auto Start Stop disabled in your F-150 using the Autostop Eliminator. For the installation, we recommend a 7mm deep socket with a 1/4-inch ratchet, a small pick or tool with a hook at the end, a wide non-marring pry tool, and painter's tape. We begin by removing the upper instrument panel tray liner. If your F-150 has a center channel speaker, you'll need to use a wide non-marring pry tool to lift the speaker grill. Next, remove the two 7mm screws from the top of the tray. Starting at the side closest to the windshield, use a pick or a small tool with a hook to lift the upper instrument panel tray. Once you can get your hand underneath, use your fingers to lift the tray and release the remaining clips. If you have a center speaker, be careful not to pull the wires by lifting the tray too high. Disconnect the wiring harness from the Auto Start Stop switch assembly. Before pulling the connector, be sure to press and hold the release latch. Connect the vehicle harness to the Autostop Eliminator, then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the switch assembly. Tuck the device into the area shown. On this vehicle, there was nothing that would cause the device to rattle or make noise due to movement, but be sure to check for clearance around the device on your vehicle. If needed, use a small piece of tape or a zip tie to secure the device. Before replacing the upper instrument panel tray, protect the top of the center stack bezel with painter's tape. It's not obvious in the video, but the tray slides across the edge of the bezel as it slips into place. Starting near the center stack bezel, press the tray into place and remove the painter's tape. Reinstall the two 7mm screws. Press the speaker grill back into position and replace the tray liner. We'll start the vehicle and ensure Auto Start Stop is off by using the indicator on the Auto Start Stop switch. We always want to use the indicator on the switch itself because the indicators in the instrument cluster can be very misleading. Once Auto Start Stop is off, we'll cycle the ignition to show the device automatically restoring the off setting. Next, we'll turn Auto Start Stop on to show that this setting is also remembered. Let's turn Auto Start Stop off and cycle the ignition one last time. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your F-150.